나는 JUK 요리하고 있다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is JUK. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word JUK. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 330. JUK. This is just a one-syllable word, and it is pronounced as JUK. Again, it's JUK. The word JUK is a noun, which means porridge. Again, JUK is simply the Korean term for porridge. How do you write JUK in Hangul? This is composed of just one syllable, and that one syllable composed of 3 characters. So that's jiut, u, and gyok. Now let's try to look at this example. It says, I am cooking porridge. Again, I am cooking porridge. The Korean translation of this is 나는 죽을 요리하고 있다. Again, 나는 죽을 요리하고 있다. The Korean translation could be subdivided into 3 parts. The first one is 나는. 나는 means I, and 는 is just added to na to make it the subject of the sentence. The next part is 죽을, and it means porridge. juk is our word for today. It means porridge, and 을 is just added to indicate that this is the object of the sentence. The last part is 요리하고 있다, and it means cooking, or the ongoing action of cooking. So when these 3 are combined, it would result to a sentence which means I am cooking porridge. So looking back to this which is flashed at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of 나는 죽을 요리하고 있다 is I am cooking porridge. And with that, you've just learned JUK. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 320 to 329. But don't forget our word for today, word number 330, it's JUK, which means porridge. The first word for our review is word number 329, 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking. Next word is 쓰다, which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. Next word is palda, which means to sell. Next word is 끝나다, which means to finish or to end. Next word is palayo, which means faster or hurry up. Next word for our review is 상자, which means box. Next word is 전혀, which means not at all or absolutely not. And the last word for our review is word number 320, 천천히, which means slowly. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.